Alright, hi guys, so today this is the makeup tutorial. I'm featuring my Angela lashes today. I love how wispy these are, and with all our 6D lashes, they're extremely light. Today I use my FUMI palette. Finally, I ordered it myself, ordered two, one for my kit, one for myself. I'm going to be doing a kit like what do you call it now, like haul or whatever, because I'm redoing my entire makeup artist kit, so you guys can join me for that journey. Yes, so this is the palette. These are the colors, nice and big colors. I love them very much. This one went on a little bit weird, funky on this brow. I'm not quite sure why, but I used every single color in this palette, which is what I love to do. If I get a palette, I want to use every color in the palette. That's just how I am. But yeah, so this is the palette I used, the FUMI palette, FUMI X Juvia's Place. Congrats, mama. I'm so sorry it took me this long to do this video. Congrats, congrats, congrats. Everything goes up from here, boo-boo. Everything goes up from here. It's touching up roses, darling. But yeah, so this is the look. I mean, for me it's simple. I hate when my brows look like this, like there's no glow around my brows. I hate it so much. You guys like it, I completely hate it. It's just what I have to use to do my brows. But anyway, so I'm rushing. I'm actually doing one-on-one classes. The classes for Jamaica have been postponed until next year, April. So be on the lookout for that. And for those of you who want to register from now, go ahead and register. I'll extend the registration discount thing until January of 2020, and then we'll start chipping away or adding the price or whatever as we go. As in, we'll have a discount, but it won't be as much as the first discount. Daddy's here. But anyway, so this is it for this intro, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you have not, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Alright, guys, so this beauty blender is, look at my face, it's actually the KKW, the Kim Kardashian West beauty blender. I did a post on my Instagram one couple weeks ago at the filming of this video. It would have been a couple weeks for me and Nick last week, but for you guys a couple weeks ago. I mean, it blends out nicely. Obviously it's a sponge, you know what I mean, like it's gonna do what it was created to do, but it's just, and I love the corners, I love the shape of this. What I don't like is how it feels. It literally feels like, and no shade to no country, because the internet be testy these days, it feels like one of those cheap beauty blenders. Or beauty sponge, not beauty blender, beauty sponge. It feels like hard, even though it's a little bit soft. It's not as soft as the Fenty Beauty one, and it's definitely not as soft as the original beauty blender, and it is hella not as soft as Real Techniques own, because Real Techniques own, that one is like hella soft. That's the softest one, and then you'd have the Fenty Beauty and then Beauty Blender, and then you have this, this one. But as you can see, because of how it's shaped, it handles like, it's a beauty to work with, but I just don't like how it feels tough, so yeah. So ooh, that's my girl's palette. Hey FUMI, look at you. Ooh, girl, ooh, I'm so proud of you. Yes, girl, congrats, baby, congrats, honey, congrats. Sorry, I'm going to go in with this color here. It is called, dang it, didn't get the name, but you know what I'm talking about there. And I'm going to be using this as my brow bone highlight. Already on my brow bone, I set it with my all over face powder, and it's actually from Black Radiance. And I really don't like how the Black Radiance powder sets me. It makes my face look ashy, but y'all can be the judge of it, but it makes my face look real ashy. Then I'm going to be using this pink and placing most of the color right at the beginning of my brows. Then I'm going to be going with the red, and that's going to go in my crease. And Ole, yeah, that's the name, Ole. So it's going to be going in my crease and a little bit above my crease, almost kind of blending with the pink that I laid before. Right, so now I think at this point I'm going to be using my LA Pro primer in black. Oh no, I'm going to be doing my brow. You see that streak I was telling you guys about? It was so weird to me, like there's like a space. See that? I don't know if you guys are seeing it, but there's like a space. But anyway, yeah, so now my LA Pro primer in black, then I'm going to blend that out. Yeah, I did this off camera, but I added more of the shimmer, and then I kind of wipe it off with a brush, because I don't like when my brow bone is that shimmery. I decided to use it for this look. So I'm just blending out as I usually do, sorry. And I tell you guys that whenever you're blending out your base, you have to blend that crap out like nobody's business, because If you don't, then the eyeshadow that you place on top of it, if it's not blended out, it's going to look choppy. It's not going to look nice and flush, you know. And I like when my makeup looks nice and flush and like blended. Yeah, it doesn't look blended. So now I'm going to be going with the purple. And is the purple Adrian? Yay, the purple is Adrian. Okay, so I'm going to be going with Adrian. And that's going to be on my eyelids. I'm going to be taking that purple all the way. I'm going to cover all the black base. The black base, I'm going to cover everything right there. So if you guys hear my looking in the background, I am very sorry. But yeah, so the lashes that's going to make these pop, which you guys saw in the intro, are my Angela lashes from my 6D collection. Oh, girl. These lashes are phenomenal. I'm in love with them. So I'm going to be using going back in with the red, and I'm going to use that to kind of blend Adrian with blend the purple with the red. See? So I'm just going at the edges using that brush just to kind of blend it, and it's softened it a little bit. The lashes will definitely pull this together. I mean, it's lashes, honey. Ooh, look at her. I love these. They're so nice and like spiky, wispy. I hella love these lashes. So Angela and Verna are like my two favorite ones. They're just gorgeous. Look it. Look Pamela lyric. Look good. So the lash and look good. The look. Yeah, girl, pick it off. Yeah, just go in. Yeah, girl, look Pamela. It looks so good. So my face looks ashy. That's what the powder does, and I absolutely hate it. I've used it I think 3 times in videos, and I'm not liking how it looks on camera or in person. So again, my LA Pro primer in black, and I'm just using this to line my waterline and my lash line. Then I'm going to blend that out as I usually do, always do. And after I blend it out, I am going to be going back in with the red and blending it out underneath, girl. Then I'm going to be using my this what I'm using now is the LA Pro primer in nude, and I'm putting it right where I didn't put the black, because I actually want to put a lighter color there, so that man go do now. So I must set a base so that the color pops. That's what we're doing right now, honey. Observe. So as I said, I used every single color in this palette. So this is Glam. Oh, Jaleel crying. Alright guys, I have Jaleel right beside me. So if you hear cooing sounds, he's directly beside me. I have the fan on to keep him warm. Hey puppy. Oh my gosh, you guys, sometimes I feel like funny doing these voiceovers with Jaleel, you know, because I mean, like, life goes on, but then a part of me is wondering if I'm being selfish. Why not just stop doing the voiceover and then just, you know, tend to my child, you know? But then a part of me knows that I won't have the time later because of how my schedule is in the mornings. I don't know why I'm talking to you guys about this doing a voiceover, but I don't know. Oh, this got dark really quickly. Okay, he's calm now. I guess everything else is self-explanatory. I should have used the other color for my highlight though, because this one for me it was like a little bit, you know, like ashy. You see that? It photographs well though, like it photographs like a dream, but it just looks a little bit too ashy for me. I love that as a blush. Oh my gosh. And I've just packed it on. My makeup was on point this day, and I had a one-on-one class, which by the way I'm refocusing my energy on one-on-one classes. So if you wanted a one-on-one, you can email classes@LyricRochester.com, or you can just DM us on LyricRochester International on Instagram. You can DM us. What else? My classes for Jamaica has been postponed. I think I said that already. But the classes for Florida is still on. We'll see what this month brings us, October and November. So hopefully we won't have to postpone any more classes, but the Jamaica ones have been postponed. So definitely stay connected with LyricRochester International on Instagram. Like all the updates are posted there. I love this makeup look so much. I love this makeup look so much. Oh my god, the lips, the eyes, everything is so gorgeous. FUMI, you did that, honey. Look at that. And this photographs so well. But this is it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what you guys think. You know, I hate my brows looking like that. I love the glow on my brows. But anyway, I'm done. Talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
up here, you a brag and a boast. Go to a woman and know I've only the most. Weekend pan the North Coast when they take most of them. They even have a Bible in a them.